Wolves genus Canis are large, canine predators of the northern hemisphere. For example, the gray wolf C. lupus, the largest wild member of the dog family, can exceed 2 meters in length and nearly 45 kilograms in weight. Wolves exhibit many adaptations: dense double coats, powerful jaws, keen senses that equip them for hunting in diverse environments. This overview details their physical characteristics, social behavior, habitat and range, diet, and ecological role, noting differences among major species and subspecies where relevant. Wolves have a distinctive large, long-legged build and a thick two-layer coat. Adult gray wolves typically measure 105 to 160 centimeters long nose to rump, with a bushy tail approximately 30 to 50 centimeters, and stand about 76-85 centimeters tall at the shoulder. Wolves have a dense double coat, soft, insulating underfur plus long, coarse guard hairs. Wolves have broad muzzles, with 40 to sharp teeth, 12 incisors. For canines, 16 premolars, 10 molars. Their jaws are extremely powerful. Skull and jaw muscles are highly developed. Some wolves differ noticeably in size or color. Red wolves C. rufus, for example, are smaller, standing approximately 66 centimeters at shoulder and weigh 20 to 36 kilograms. Wolves are highly social, family-oriented carnivores. They usually hunt at night and live in packs, typically 6 to 10 adults, though packs up to 24 have been recorded. Breeding is typically restricted to the alpha pair, while non-breeding offspring assist with raising younger pups. Pack sizes vary by species. Gray wolf packs average 6 to 10 animals. Wolves communicate via vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. Long-distance howling is a hallmark. It maintains contact between pack members and may reinforce social bonds. Wolves are cooperative hunters. They can sprint up to approximately 60 kilometers per hour when chasing prey. Wolves are highly adaptable and historically ranged across much of the northern hemisphere. Today they occupy only about 1/3 of their former range. The gray wolf once lived across North America, Europe, and Asia. Wolves thrive in diverse habitats. They inhabit boreal and temperate forests, Arctic tundra, shrublands, grasslands, alpine regions, and even semi-arid areas.